Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including posters, presentations, and more. It's user friendly and offer a range of powerful design tools that makes it easy for anyone to create professionals looking designs. Now, you might be wondering why Canva is important for students. Well, let me tell you. Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial of Canva on creating a digital posters for school projects. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to use Canva. It is easy to use design tools to create eye-catching posters for students that will impress your classmates and teacher. Whether you're working on a science fair project or a history presentation or a school event poster, Canva is everything you need to make your poster stand out. So, let's begin. If you have not started creating a free Canva account, it's quick, easy, and you'll have access to all the templates and designs. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Canva homepage. So, where you can start a new design, you have to click or you can search here. Let's search posters. So I'll see search for posters. I'll click on it, and here are some posters templates. So Canva offers a wide range of posters for different purpose, from education posters to event posters. Take some time to go through the posters and choose that one that fits your theme or topic of your school project. So I'll be choosing this template as I have to make a school project. So we'll click on this customize this template. We'll click on it. So once you have selected a template, it's time to customize it and make it your own. So start replacing by the placeholder text. So the text can include your project title, headings, body text, and any other information you want to include. For changing the headings, we'll go to the text section. After going to the text section, I'll add a heading. I'll click on it and then I'll replace it with it. Now I'll drag it to make it small. I'll fit it in it. We can also decrease its size by just clicking here. So I'll adjust it accordingly. So now I have adjusted it. For suppose if I got a project on why is AI important or AI in everyday life. So now I have chose my title, which is AI in everyday life, and now we are going to customize it. We can choose different fonts. For fonts, I'll click on here. So I'll find bold text for my heading. Now I have selected it, as you can see. We can change its color also. We can keep it bold. Now there are many other options. We can bold our character, we can change into italic font, or we can underline our text also, and many more. You can choose it accordingly. So now if you want to change the background color, you can just do it simply. You have to click on the background and then you have to click on this background color and choose the color whichever you like it. So I'm gonna choose this one. changed my background color. Now a picture is worth 1,000 words, so be sure to add relevant images and graphics to your posters. Canva has built-in library of millions of high-quality photos, illustrations, icons, and other graphics that you can use to enhance your design. Here is an amazing feature. We can also post our pictures. Now, for uploading pictures, you have to go to the upload section and then you have to click on it. Here you go. Now you have to select upload files. After clicking it, you have to select your picture whichever you want to put in your poster. Now I have added some pictures and some information about AI. So it was very easy to do it, right? Okay, so now let me tell you about some elements. Get creative with visual. So now let me tell you about some elements. Get creative with these elements like shapes, lines and arrow to add visual interest and structure to your poster. So let me tell you. First you have to go to the element. Use the element to highlight the key points, create flowcharts or simply add decorative things to your design. So let's talk about layouts and arrangements. Play around with the different layouts to find the most visually designed for your poster. By this, we can add line, we can add some shapes, we can add some graphics, we can add some photos, some videos to your poster, some frames to make it look more attractive. We can add some frame also. Here are some frames. Now some arrows, circle, border, box, earth, square, whatever element you want, you can just search it here and you can add it to your poster. There is one more plus point. If you want to draw anything on our poster, so we just have to click on the drawing section and we can select the marker, or we can draw anything whatever we want to make it look more attractive. Now coming back to our poster, as you can see, we can edit our picture, we can adjust it or we can crop it also. Now another option is to flip. So we can flip it horizontally or we can flip it vertically. Now next is the background color, as we have already discussed it. Now here is an animate. So animate allows us to add some motions in our poster. I'll show you how. So I'll click on animate and then I'll select a particular motion, whatever I like. So you can also select the motion whichever you like to your poster. So I'm gonna select it now. So now I've selected this motion and I'll save it now. There you go, I have saved it. And now my poster is of duration of 5 seconds. You can change its position also. If you want to change any particular position, you can do it by just clicking on this icon. Now here is the transparency option. If you want to make it light, drag it towards the right hand side, or if you want to make it dark, drag it towards the left hand side. And now we have done it. Now let's get it to the final touch. Make sure your text stand out by applying effects like shadow, outlines. You can also add decorative items like banners, ribbons or stickers to give your poster more look. So you can search here for the banners. You can go to the element and search banner. Here you go. Here are some banners. You can search some ribbons to make it look more attractive. And add some stickers also. So I'll search for stickers now. Here you go. You can select accordingly to make your banner look more attractive. So let's take a step back to review our poster to make sure everything looks perfect. Don't be afraid to make adjustments or revisions as needed to fine-tune your design and make it truly exceptional. So here I have taken my review. Once you are satisfied with your poster, download it. You have to click on share and then you have to download it. It offers various files, formats including JPG, PDF and many more. Now I'll be giving you some tips for creating effective posters. See, keep your design clean with plenty of white space to allow your content to breathe. Use high quality images, most important thing. Use graphics to ensure your posters look professional and polished. Now, congratulations, you have successfully created a stunning digital poster for your school project using Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel confident using Canva to create all kind of amazing design in the future. Thanks for watching.